Good morning, children. Welcome back to your Google Classroom. Today, we can discuss our fifth grammar lesson, adjectives. I know all are familiar to this topic. What is an adjective? A word which we use to qualify or modify a noun is known as an adjective. Or simply, we can call it as a describing word. The words which describes a noun. We can use the different characteristics or attributes like color, size, material, nationality, etc. to describe a noun. For example, red apple, green flower, sweet potato or sweet chocolate, good boy, smart girl, etc. Usually, an adjective occurs between a determiner and a noun. It also occurs before a noun. For example, Sheena is carrying a green bag. Sheena is carrying a green bag. So here the adjective green is placed between the determiner a and the noun bag. Another example, that was an amazing film. That was an amazing film. So, what is an adjective? A word which describes a noun is known as an adjective. We can use color, size, material, number, nationality, etc. to describe the nouns. All these are examples for adjectives. We can form adjectives from nouns and verbs by adding the words like LESS, FUL, IVE, ISH, etc. For example, care, careful, careless, act, active, child, childish. When we want to compare two or more nouns with the same attribute or characteristics, we can change the form of an adjective to show the comparison. These forms are called degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree is the simplest form of an adjective. It is the base form of an adjective. We use the positive degree to simply describe a noun without comparing with other nouns. For example, Raju is a tall boy. Raju is a tall boy. Here we use the word tall to describe the noun. Comparative degree. We use the comparative form of adjective to compare two nouns with the same quality. We can form the comparative degree by either adding er to them or more before them. We use than or to with the comparative degrees. Example, Shyam is taller than Raju. Shyam is taller than Raju. Here we compared Raju and Shyam by using the word taller, and we used the word than also in that sentence. Another example, my brother is elder to me by 5 years. My brother is elder to me by 5 years. We use the superlative form of adjective to compare more than two persons with the same quality. We use the superlative form of adjective to compare more than two persons with the same quality. We can form superlative degree by either adding est to them or by adding the word most with them. We use the definite article the before the superlative adjectives. For example, Rohan is the tallest boy in our class. Rohan is the tallest boy in our class. Here we used the definite article the before the superlative adjective tallest. Here we added the letters est to the positive form of adjective, that is the tall, to make the superlative form. Let's learn more about the degrees of comparison. Changing the degree of comparison. While changing the degree of comparison, we have to check the following points. For most adjectives of one syllable and a few of more than one syllable, we can form the comparative degree by adding er and the superlative degree by adding est to the positive degree. Syllable is a part of a word that contains a single vowel sound and that is pronounced as a unit. So, to identify whether the given adjective is of one syllable or more than one syllable, we have to check the vowels given in that word. For example, the word light is of one syllable and the word beautiful is of more than one syllable. Let's check how can we divide them to syllables. The word light, only one vowel sound is there. So it is of single word, single syllable. Then the word beautiful. Here we can divide the word beautiful into three syllables. First one beau, then t, then full. So there are three syllables in the word beautiful. So we can form the comparative degree of one syllable word and two syllable words by adding er and the superlative degree by adding est to the positive degree. Example, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Light, lighter, lightest. When the positive degree ends in e, we add only r and st. No need to add er and est. For example, white, whiter, whitest. Fierce, fiercer and fiercest. When the positive degree ends in y, preceded by a consonant, we change the y into I before adding er and est. For example, scary, scarier, scariest. Fancy, fancier, fanciest. When a one syllable word ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, we double the consonant before adding er and est. For example, flat, flatter, flattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Adjectives of more than two syllables form the comparative and superlative degrees with more and most before the positive degree. Example, abundant, more abundant and most abundant. Adventurous, more adventurous and most adventurous. Two syllable adjectives ending in ful, less, ing and ed and a few other adjectives such as modern, foolish and famous take more and most to form the comparative and superlative degrees. Examples, wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Careless, more careless, most careless, etc. Some adjectives do not follow any fixed rules to form the comparative and superlative degrees. Example, good, better, best. Many, more, most. Some adjectives suggest that something is only one of its kind. Such adjectives do not change their degree. Example, ideal, unique, supreme, etc. Adjectives are the single words which we use to describe a noun. We can use a group of words or a phrase to describe a noun. That means a phrase or group of words also can be used as adjectives. For example, Sumitra has hair that feels like silk. So instead of that, we can use an adjective, a single word. Sumitra has silky hair. Let's learn more examples. Kashi is always aware and alert in class. Kashi is always attentive in class. Mrs. Krishnan is always on time. Instead, we can use she is always punctual. Lalit looked worried and impatient. We can use he looked anxious. We have some activities related to this chapter. Do the activities yourself. All the answers of these activities are attached with the notes. A YouTube URL is attached. Watch the video. A test paper is included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. The notes of this topic is also included. Learn it. We can meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.